guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it is really like 5:34 in the morning and we are heading to New York City. We're gonna be spending some of the Christmas there. Well, it's not Christmas yet, but we're gonna experience Christmas time in the city. But right now I'm packing everything up, I'm getting ready, we have to go, but I want to pop in and say hello. But yeah, we're off to New York. Okay, you guys, long time no talk, but we're not in New York yet, but we're in New Jersey. We are staying here for the majority of our trip, well, the entirety of our trip, and then we are heading to New York City tomorrow. It's just like a 20-minute bus ride and the bus stop's literally across the street, so it's perfect. But we just got in, we chilled for a little bit, we went to Walmart, grabbed some snacks, and I also saw a Shake Shack, so I went and picked some stuff up. They also have a Chili's here and a Cava, so during my time this week, I kind of want to try all three, but I want to give you a quick room tour. This is the room. It's a bit of a mess, but this is my parents' side. We're staying at the Harmony Suites, I want to say, but there's one room here, a little couch, TV, desk, you know, nightstand. There's like a little sink area as well as a microwave and mini fridge as well. We have, don't know what that noise is, but we do have bathroom. Again, I ignore that noise, I don't know what it is. Shower, closet, and then this is like my little room area, so the usual bed, TV, and like all of my stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna do a quick little taste test, munch, probably do my skincare and go to sleep because I'm tired because we've been up since 5. I'm exhausted. Yeah, I didn't vlog much coming up because like I said, I was so tired on the car ride. I don't know why. Like I was totally fine and then it just hit me and I slept literally the whole time. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my food before it gets too cold, go on TikTok, and then actually I lied, I'm going to start editing one of my previous videos. So let's tuck in and do a little taste test. Okay, so I got a sunset lemonade. Let's try. It's actually not as sweet as I thought it would be. I was gonna get the shake, but I was like, you know what? Nah, that's good. End up getting the chicken bites, fries, and some sauce. Nothing crazy. I'm not a huge burger person, so this is perfect for me. I'm trying to find decent lighting, but you know, hotel rooms and whatnot, but Okay, good morning you guys. Today is now Wednesday. Had our first night in New York. We're actually, like I said, in New Jersey, but we are taking the bus this morning to the city at around like in an hour or so. We're gonna take the bus. It's gonna take like 20 minutes. We had like the hotel breakfast, which was actually pretty good, and now I'm just like quickly doing a bit of makeup. Nothing crazy. It is supposed to rain today, which is like kind of unfortunate, but I brought stuff so it shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, I'm not really sure what the plan is today in terms of like what we're seeing. I think we're gonna try and get tickets for the Rocket, which I'm really excited about because I really want to see that. And then the rest of the day is just like sightseeing and stuff. Maybe go to Bryant Park and do all the cute Christmassy stuff. But yeah, I'm really excited, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna film with that because I feel like I've filmed so much makeup stuff recently and I want to save the battery for today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this off camera and I'll show you guys when I'm finished. Okay, you guys, we are in Bryant Park. Hopefully you can hear me, but I took some clips. It's kind of raining, but yeah, it's very cute, very Christmassy. We're exploring. Okay, you guys, it is the next day. I didn't really vlog much yesterday because it was raining in New York and it was like a bit insane. But today is now Thursday and we are actually going back into the city. I think we're going back into the city like every single day that we're here to see the Rockettes at 5. I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm gonna end up bringing this camera, but we are seeing the Rockettes. But today we're just gonna do a little bit of like local shopping, Target, Marshalls, that sort of thing. But yeah, I got all ready, and then when we come back and get ready to go to see the Rockettes, I'm just gonna do some quick touch-ups. But I'm gonna show you my outfit. Shirt, thrifted, pants, Old Navy, Sambas. I wear my super puff because it's a little cold outside, and then I put a little bow in my hair. So that's that. I'll give you, yesterday was pretty good. We saw the Rockfeller tree, the ice skating rink, a little bit of Bryant Park, and a little bit of Times Square. But like I said, it was like raining pretty hard yesterday, so didn't get to see everything, but we'll get to it sometimes this week. But I want to show you what I did end up buying, and I'm so mad at myself that I didn't end up vlogging this. But anyways, we stopped up at Warby Parker because obviously, you know, I wear glasses and I do need new pair. And we were talking about this like a few days ago, me and my mom, that I wanted to get a pair of burgundy sunglasses, no, burgundy frames. So I ended up finding them, which is like, if you wear glasses, you know how rare it is to like just get glasses. So I just ended up buying them there, but I'll show you. Okay, these are them. They're so cute, and I feel like they just like go well with my collection and like my usual lip color. But anyways, these are the Imogen in medium, and they're the burgundy or cherry color, and they actually didn't end up having them in stock because yeah, they were just like out. So we're gonna order them, but because I'm Canadian, they were just like, it just makes sense for you to just take the one off the display. So they ended up just giving it to me off the display, and I absolutely love them. They're so cute. Obviously I don't have my prescription in them, so I have to get my eyes checked and then update my prescription, but they're adorable. I love them. Anyways, but yeah, so we're heading out to the shops today to go to Marshalls, TJ Maxx, all that stuff. I don't really need to buy anything, although I may get another like sweater or two because I'm realizing that I don't think I brought enough sweaters somehow. But yeah, that's that. Just want to say hello, and yeah, let's go. Okay, hey you guys, it is a new day. We are obviously still in New York / New Jersey, but yesterday, I don't know if I really vlogged, but I don't even remember if I said anything. But basically, we went to see the Rockettes last night. It was really, really good. It wasn't what I was expecting, but I also don't know what I was expecting, but it was really good. We went and saw the Rockettes, and we came back and we went to Chili's, which was also very, very good. Like, I totally see the hype, number one, and I just feel like, I get it. The vibes in Chili's, the food, it's good. Didn't end up getting the triple dipper just because, like, I was kind of full, and I didn't want that much food, but I did get the chicken crispers and it was very good. But anyways, we did a little bit of shopping yesterday, not a whole lot. Like I said, I don't really need a whole lot on this trip. I've been shopping quite a lot before we went, so I don't really need much, but I did pick up a few things that I want to show you, like random stuff. I got like my big thing of Nivea cream. I got some Tiger Balm, which I actually may just use today because for some reason, I don't know if it's just the walking around the city, but my upper back hurts, which is weird. But anyways, got some of that. I got these straw toppers for my water bottle because if you know, I have that big like purple one, and I always wanted to have something to cover the top of it. It's just a little bit more sanitary. I got these earrings by Olivia and Jackson from, I want to say Marshalls or TJ Maxx, but I really like them mainly because the backs are flat, which I actually think will be better for me because I have several piercings. The traditional earring backs are super uncomfortable sometimes. I got these sets of like these like Bali weight dupes by, I don't even know how to pronounce that, but they're £1 each, and I'm gonna wear these on my walks in the wintertime because like I said, I'm in my health era these days, and I think this is actually gonna be really good. Wait, I just realized there is like a snow blower going. Can you even hear me? Okay, sorry about that. You can hear me, but it's just annoying. Hopefully it's not too bad. But I got the weights, like I said, for my walk. I got this super cute bonnet that like ties in the front. Got that. It's in purple. And then I got some undies, which I'm not gonna show. But then I also got some bralettes. I got this set. They're both from Lucky Brand actually, but in the winter time, I don't really want to wear a bra, so I just got these 12. But anyways, again, sorry about the noise. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. If not, I just just won't use the clip. But anyways, I need to get ready. We didn't go down to breakfast today because I'm not really feeling it. I'm just having one of my Chobani flips. I love these. But today the plan is we're gonna go to Target and Trader Joe's. I have so many stuff I want to get at Trader Joe's and Target. It's not even funny. So we're gonna go there this morning. Then we're gonna go back into the city. I don't know what we're gonna do. I think World Trade Center. I would also like to go to Soho potentially and just like go back to Times Square because last time it was like raining, just to see. And then tonight at 7:30 we're going to a concert. I don't know. I think it's Mariah Carey. I don't know anything. It's kind of like the Rockettes. I don't know what to expect. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, that's what's happening. Just wanted to give you an update. It's a new day. And yeah, I'm gonna turn this off now because that sounds really annoying. But anyways, just wanted to say good morning. Okay, you guys, we are in Target. I just grabbed a cart. I also grabbed Starbucks, and we're gonna take a look. I'm kind of looking for a sweater because, like I mentioned, I didn't really bring a whole lot of stuff. So let's take a look. These are the best ever. I literally made a full list, and so far we're doing pretty good. Let me just check some things off. Okay, let's keep it. None of those are good.